How do pressure ulcers develop? There are 4 main ways that skin ulcers can develop. The first is through pressure. Constant pressure under bony prominences underneath the skin constricts blood flow, causing tissues to die if this pressure is not relieved. Shearing can also cause ulcers when body weight moves bone and other deep tissues in one direction while the skin remains stationary. This obstructs and damages blood vessels. An example of this is when a client is sitting in a slouched position in a wheelchair with the buttocks near the edge of the seat. Friction is created by repeated movement over surfaces such as bed linens or chair surfaces. Moisture soaks and softens the skin, which increases the risk of ulcer development. A warm and moist environment increases the risk of ulcers. A dry environment with access to air is more therapeutic. Where do pressure ulcers develop? As you can see, pressure ulcers tend to develop under bony prominences. When a client is constantly lying on the back, the at-risk areas are the heels, tailbone, elbows, shoulders, and the back of the head. When resting for long periods of time on the side, ulcers tend to develop under the bony areas of the ankles, between the knees, under the hips, shoulders, and ears. When seated in a wheelchair or tilt chair for long periods of time, there are many pressure points, especially in the hip and tailbone regions. The importance of a properly fitted chair and quality pressure reduction cushion cannot be understated.